Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EBIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Did it on Friday. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just use this green line for a nearer term level. Sure, this green line down there at $1.75 is still, does still pertain to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So like I said, yes, this line is still relevant. Still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. So one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level after today is right up there at $2. Now, don't get me wrong, though. I'm not saying that if the price falls below $2 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay up above that $2 mark, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward on the bull's part. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Sure, like I said, staying up above $2 would be great, but from the big picture of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority right now. Top priority is just keep on doing what it's been doing. And what has it been doing? Well, it's been building higher bases. So as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, like it's been doing, you picture these as stair steps, then overall, the chart's just going to continue to take care of itself. So focus on building those higher lows, sit back, and let the chart do its thing.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.